Good morning, everybody. This is certainly an upgrade from our last free breakfast at the Freedom Hostel. We got some bacon, we got sausage, eggs, bread, some orange juice, bananas. It's looking pretty nice. So this morning after we eat our free breakfast, we're gonna go rent a moped and then drive about an hour through the Laos jungle to go to some waterfalls. So that should be pretty cool, but we're excited to have a nice free breakfast. Hello all.
Time to go to some waterfalls.
Yes, we are on our way to go rent a moped. And we'll see how much that costs and or if we can actually find a moped.
So we are heading to the Kuang Si waterfalls, which are just the most popular waterfalls I feel like in Luang Prabang. And what people don't tell you when you're visiting here is that the waterfalls are actually about an hour away on the moped, and which we don't mind, and that'll be fun, but something new we learned.
Yay. All right, so that moped place only accepts your passport. And I don't know, I just kind of have a problem giving a random like motorbike street vendor my passport for like 10 hours. Maybe I shouldn't be so worried about that, but I kind of am because it's like my only way to get out of the country, I guess. I don't know. We haven't run into this anywhere except Laos, but we just went to another moped place and this one's like way more sketch than the first one. And they still require passports. So I'm definitely not giving that guy my passport. But the other place has really good reviews, so I guess
Google reviews, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go grab our passport and give it to a random person for like 5 hours.
Yeah, it's just a bit of a shocker to us, but I guess
must be the norm in Laos, yeah.
But it feels very unsettling to just hand somebody your passport. Speedometer doesn't work, so I guess we just have to feel the vibes out on the speed. The only ones in this idea.
All right, we have made it alive. We have arrived alive.
Bit of a bumpy ride, but that's all right. And our map said that we're still a kilometer away from the waterfalls.
Yes.
So I'm not sure if we're about to do a little hike out there.
Should be fun though.
Our tickets were 25,000 kip each, just for fun. I'll put that conversion right up on the screen. And now we are on a free little shuttle bus, and I guess they're gonna take us to the waterfall. This is certainly a lot more built up than I expected. And we're just walking up this trail to the main waterfall, but in 2 to 5 minutes we're supposed to encounter a bear rescue center, which would be cute to see. I don't know if you can see him. Oh, there's another little guy right there. Might be hard to see. There's some little guys over there too.
Alright, so imagine you're like an explorer going through the woods and you just see this. That would be crazy. Okay, so we watched like a bunch of travel YouTubers and we could have sworn that you could like go swimming here. There's a bunch of like no swimming signs, so.
To be fair though, all the videos we watched were from before the pandemic, so times could have changed. But now we're hiking up on a path we're not supposed to be on to try to get to the top to get to some swimming pools.
Yes, we shall see. This hike is getting progressively more steep. That was a rough hike in flip-flops. It's crazy how it goes from this calm little lagoon to this raging waterfall right there.
So we made it to the top of the waterfall, and we were looking for the secret swimming pool that we've seen some travel YouTubers hike out to, and we think that it's in the middle of the waterfall, so we're at the very top. So we're gonna take a different trail down and see if we can find the path there, and we'll let you know. We found this. We thought we saw the midway swimming point back there, but we can't decide if maybe the trail is flooded because it's wet season, or maybe we just are lost and don't know how to find it. But I guess we're gonna keep heading down and see what we can come up with. So we went to the very, very top of the waterfall, but right there, that's the swimming pool that everyone sneaks off and goes and swims up in. So we couldn't find the trail, and we also don't see anybody up there. So I'm wondering if maybe it's just wet season and the trail that everyone crawls through is not accessible. I'm not sure what's going on. Also, Laos just reopened from the pandemic, so everyone that we saw go up to the middle swimming pool, that was before. So yeah, we didn't find it, we didn't get to it, but that's okay. The top of the waterfall was still so epic. And if you get to the middle swimming pool, let us know, because we would really like to see it.
That is some blue water. It is so cold. Alright, so I was just waiting around in there, and you know I have that rub burn from ziplining? Well, you already saw it from yesterday anyway. I was waiting around in there and the fish start swarming and biting off my scab. That's nasty. Don't go swimming into Kuang Si if you have a cut, because that's crazy.
We stopped off at this little restaurant, and I got noodle soup with vegetable, and Matthew got fried rice with vegetable. Those together cost 45,000, and the conversion will be right here for you. Quite a lot of food for what I think is like $3 US.
Less than 3, yeah.
Yeah. We have an audience. Somebody doesn't want us to leave, huh? Hi. so fun for me. I'm just sitting on the back drinking a little coffee. All I'm in charge of are the directions. And this is so beautiful.
Got my passport back.
Bye, Scooter. So our tickets were 25. Let me fix my hair.
It's like a jungle. It's a little bit of a hike. Fellow criminals. Guys, rate Patricia's use of chopsticks
Please don't.
in the comments. It's like one noodle. Hey, okay.